According to the latest reports, MIUI 11 will be a new and unique OS with some amazing features. But features aside, there are some important changes Xiaomi should be making with MIUI 11. Well, let me tell you all about it. Hey guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com, and Xiaomi recently revealed that MIUI 11 development has started, and while I'm pretty sure that it will bring some great new features, there are some things that Xiaomi needs to change with MIUI 11. Well, before I get into detail, let me tell you that this video has been sponsored by iSkysoft Toolbox Switch, which lets you transfer data from one phone to another really quickly. I'll talk more about the tool at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Now, let's talk about MIUI 11. MIUI updates might bring the latest Android version on board, but they don't necessarily bring the latest Android features, which is quite disappointing. Let me give you an example. So here's the Poco F1 with Android Pie based MIUI 10, but does it have any Android Pie features? Well, no. It's wrong really when the new major Android update does not bring any of its major new features. I mean, there's no adaptive brightness, rotation toggle, or the digital well-being features. I mean, MIUI's gestures are better than what Android Pie brought. But Xiaomi can at least bring the useful stock Android features like digital well-being. You'll all agree when I say that digital well-being features are amazing. So I really hope Xiaomi includes it in MIUI 11, and if Xiaomi has a problem with Google, I'd say why not build their own digital well-being feature like Huawei. I'm sure you've heard of Cheetah Mobile somewhere, right? Well, if you haven't, let me tell you all about them. So Cheetah Mobile is one of the most infamous app development companies out there, with a lot of its apps being hugely popular, like Clean Master, CM Launcher, Quick Pick, Battery Doctor, and a lot more. Now the company has been accused of ad fraud, data mining, selling user data, and whatnot. And in fact, Google recently removed some Cheetah Mobile apps from the Play Store. So it's surprising really that Xiaomi uses Cheetah Mobile's Clean Master engine in the Cleaner app of MIUI. Yes, just take a look at this. So when you open the Cleaner app on MIUI for the first time, you get a pop-up about terms and conditions with the upload folder names option enabled. Now, as you can see mentioned below, this feature uploads folder names to update Cheetah Mobile's database. In fact, if you open up the privacy policy here, it opens up Cheetah Mobile's privacy policy along with Tencent. So the Cleaner app is clearly powered by Cheetah Mobile. And it's not just the Cleaner app. A lot of Xiaomi phones have the Kika keyboard as the default keyboard, which is another Cheetah Mobile app. To be honest, it's not really all that surprising. It's all connected. Let me show you. So here's the notorious Cheetah Mobile, and its parent company is Kingsoft. And Lee Jun is the chairman of Kingsoft. And you know who Lee Jun is, right? Well, he's the founder, chairman, and CEO of Xiaomi. So as you can see, it's all pretty well connected. But it's high time Xiaomi stopped using Cheetah Mobile apps like the Cleaner app. I mean, do we even need a Cleaner app on our phones? Well, I just hope that Xiaomi starts taking up privacy and security seriously with MIUI 11. So a big no to Cheetah Mobile apps and Cheetah Mobile features. We have been getting a lot of comments and tweets saying, I hate MIUI ads, Xiaomi should remove ads from MIUI, MIUI ads are annoying, and a lot more. It's clear that you don't like ads in MIUI, and well, I hate them too. MIUI has ads everywhere and it's horrible really. Just think about it, we are paying 10,000, 50,000 rupees on a brand new smartphone only to find ads ruining the experience. I mean, if Xiaomi needs more money, they can increase the prices of their phones and we'll be fine. But resorting to cheap ads to extend their revenue is just plain bad. Honestly, it would have been understandable had other platforms featured ads. Samsung Experience UI, Huawei's EMUI, Asus's Zen UI, LG's UI, whatever it's called. They don't feature ads, and it's even more surprising because Xiaomi is now one of the top 5 smartphone makers in the world and the top smartphone maker in India. Look, if Xiaomi wants to be perceived as a premium smartphone brand in the world, it's high time that they started acting like a premium smartphone brand. Well, let's hope they start by removing ads in MIUI 11. Bloatware, another problem in MIUI that I hope Xiaomi fixes with MIUI 11. And this is another problem that's more rampant in Xiaomi's entry-level Redmi phones. Let me show you. So here's the Redmi 6A, Xiaomi's most affordable smartphone out there, and it has so many apps pre-installed. First of all, it has 4 browsers on board. I mean, I'm okay with Mi browser and Chrome on board, but Opera browser as well as UC browser, which by the way is a browser that I don't trust when it comes to security. And it's not just browsers. There are so many apps pre-installed like Amazon, Facebook, PhonePe, Daily Hunt, Opera News, Myntra, ShareChat, and a lot more. I understand that people might want to use Amazon and Facebook, but does Xiaomi really need to install all of these apps on a budget phone? Well, I don't think so, and I certainly hope that Xiaomi cuts down on the bloatware with MIUI 11. MIUI does not have an app drawer and it sucks. Now, this is a sentence I'm pretty sure you've heard numerous times from me and a lot of other people. Well, I hope Xiaomi fixes this with MIUI 11. I mean, say what you will, the MIUI home screen gets all messed up due to the fact that there's no app drawer. You can make folders and move multiple apps around, but there's no way to sort these apps by name, which is kind of annoying when you install as many apps as I do. Poco phones have the Poco launcher, which has an app drawer, so maybe Xiaomi will bring something like that with MIUI 11, or at least we'll get better sorting. Here's hoping. To sum things up, let me put things honestly. Yes, there's a lot to like about MIUI, and I really appreciate the features that it brings, and MIUI 11 should bring some great new features. But I really hope that Xiaomi uses MIUI 11 to bring a positive change to its platform by fixing all of these issues. Anyway, it's time now to talk about our sponsors for this video. iSkysoft Toolbox Switch is a data transfer tool that lets you transfer data between Android phones and between Android and iOS devices with ease. You can transfer things like contacts, messages, photos, music, videos, call logs, apps, and a lot more. The tool supports almost all the Android and iOS devices out there, so you should be covered. iSkysoft Toolbox Switch is available in a free trial with its license available for $30, but Beebom subscribers can get a 20% discount by using the code LENTBOX. So what are you waiting for? Check out iSkysoft Toolbox Switch from the link in the description below. Well, those were some things that need fixing in MIUI, but is there any other problem that you have been facing? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends who have been using MIUI and they've been annoyed with all of these issues. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.